Shubor nakaslem jong Nongkyrshan Hima.
Kumba shispa lai pusan Ngut ki Nongkyrshan jong Kiwei pat ki Seng Pyrthei ni ki jaka bapher ki bakinthum na Sadar Police Station, Police Reserve, Punjabi Lane, pat Kiwei ki jaka ki bahab hapo ke North Shillong Constituency, ki lawan ban Pynïasoh bat ke Seng Trinamool Congress. Haba ajing kran ke jingelang ke balalong menta kesngi ha ke office traikam jong ke Seng, ke kong LGwa Gwinet Renja, ke badai ke kertong jong ke TMC na kate ke constituency, kalau ong babaro ki kertong ki baya konye ke election menta, ki lek ban penbit ye ki pat ba da kumne kumtai. Henry kalau ong ba ki pat ba kim dai ban ngop ha ke jingsha penbit, namar kini ki kertong ki kwa tang ye ke vote, bat am ban perkhat na ke benta ke lawai jong ki pat ba ke bansawan. Hang ni kasngi le don rengkat langru da State Vice President jong ke TMC uba James B Lingdo, u President ke Youth jong ke TMC ki nongkit kam bat ki dekhot ke Seng.
We took a random decision. We decided together, though just the two of us, including Sir. Sir had went on board from the front. As a youth, my responsibility, when I see my state, my youth, their dreams has been shattered, it's my responsibility if I am capable to do things. And I think each one of you who are sitting here are capable to do much better things than what I am doing today to you all. And I encourage each and every youth student who are sitting here. Maybe there are dropouts also. I have personally want to enlighten. Do not drop out from your education. As you know that education is very important to us. बिना education, हमारा और आपका future खराब हो जाएगा. तो उस टाइम में किस क्वेश्चन मार्क को ढालेगा? We have to blame whom? We have to blame ourselves. And why we blame ourselves? Even the government is at fault. The current government is at fault for the education in Meghalaya. Go back to the times. 51 years we have got Meghalaya statehood. What is the future of our youth? What is the future of the young generation? Zero. Now everybody who are contesting elections, they will come and vouch for you for this and that. Do not fall under their prey. Because they just need your vote. But they will not think about your future. But I as a youth leader, as a young leader, people call me young, but I have brains to work within the constituency. As a young leader, I would motivate each one of you. Stand up on your own 2 feet, even if you are drop out. You should come out, come to me. We will pave the way together to brighten up each one of you to a better future. So that there are many of you here, you want to become engineer, doctors, you want to become businessman, businesswoman, but nobody paves you the way. But I can assure you, if you voted for me and if you make me win from this constituency, you will see the real change. Trinamool Congress comes to Meghalaya for real because they have seen Meghalaya बहुत अच्छा जगह है, सब है, रिसोर्स है, बट किसकी वजह से जो रिसोर्स सब खराब हो जाएगा? हमारा पॉलिटिशियन जो वहाँ में असेंबली बैठेगा, ये जो अभी सरकार में है, हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट संगमा लास्ट टाइम में डॉक्टर मुकुल व्हेन ही वाज इन पावर, सब लोग मिला ना टैबलेट, अभी कहाँ है वो टैबलेट? उसका पॉकेट शायद खा जाएगा. So what we have written in the manifesto, that those who have passed out, we will be giving there in the chair. And also, we are nobody yet. We are just principal opposition party in Meghalaya. But what we have launched for you all, after a lot of arithmetic, and this is my brainchild, and this is my dream for the youth, we have launched an income support for the youth. Which political party, can you answer to me, which political party has launched income support, my youth empowerment card to you? Can anybody stand up and answer? Can you stand up and answer to me? कौन सा political party जो आपका future, they are looking at a brighter side? Is there any other political party? I was in a Congress. Nobody took care of us also. It's just that I had leaders like Dr. Mukul, Ba James, Ba Charles, who are there to motivate us. Few are there to motivate us, but the rest, they don't want to see our future to be here. But in Trinamool Congress is the platform for you and for me and for these small young children who will be the future generation. Your parents, my mother, she's 71 years old. She has given me good education. She has given me the best in life. But if I have to come back to India when I had returned back from my studies, I put a question mark, Ma, what will I do? But I thank her because she has a business. But still we have to work hard together with her. And where I am here is because of God and because of my mother. So I want each individual, whether you're rich or you're poor, that does not matter to me. What matter is I want to see a brighter future to start from North Shillong. That is you who are sitting here, to take this message into the constituency, to the neighboring constituencies also, that we, the youth, are the future leaders, are the future generation of this beautiful state. We should not let this current corrupt government who has been ruling us for 5 years to ruin our future. I understand the pain of every youth who are involved in drugs, in alcohol, in any unwanted activities. I do not hate them. You can ask people who have been involved in those activities. They come crying to me. I don't hate them. But I would like to change them. We will bring a lot of resolution to each one of you. What do you want to do? You should tell us. I don't want to tell you that I will do this, I will do that, but if I come to power, what if I don't do that? It will hurt your sentiments. Instead, I want each one of you sitting here, come to us personally, come to our leaders who are sitting here. Even if I'm not there 24/7, but my phone number is there. You can leave me a message. What problems you're having. As a family, ek parivar mein, we're gonna sit together and we will uplift together this constituency, especially the younger generation. We have to ensure that they have a brighter future. Without you all, our future is over.
For you all, you are joining today. Our president of the Youth North Block Trinamool Congress, Hime Pyrthei, yes, given you a speech just now. The mother of Kong Aljiba, Kong Silindia, Nathaniel Saiñ, James, and especially our candidates, Kong Aljiba, Janet Benja, whom the party has shouldered the responsibility to take on this election as a candidate of the 17 North Block of North Constituency to contest this upcoming election 2023. So, and all our youths who are joining today, I from the All India Trinamool Congress, on behalf of Dr. Nongkyrshan and Charles Pongro, and on behalf of Mamta Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee, I welcome you all to this party. We are, from today onwards, will be like one family. Please join us in any difficulties or any thing that we have to do. Since you are joining the party, feel at home, feel comfortable with us, and we'll work together for the future of the state. Trinamool Congress, we have four Trinamool Congress. We have the parents body, we have in the district, we have in the block, and we have the Mahila, we have the youth, and especially we have the student body, the Trinamool Congress Student Union, and the youth, which we are today, we are coming together. And the main reason of this party is to uplift the youth, the women, and all the society as a whole. When Trinamool Congress step in Meghalaya, within 1 year, we have already formed all the blocks on the constituency of 16. And as of today, we have filed the nominations, 56 candidates in the entire state. And we have the Mahila Congress state body, the district body, and we have the youth Trinamool Congress, the state body. Within 1 year, we have already formed all the blocks on the constituency of 16. And as of today, we have filed the nominations, 56 candidates in the entire state. And we have the Mahila Congress state body, the district body, and we have the youth Trinamool Congress, the state body, the youth body, and the student, the Trinamool Congress Student Union, a state and the district level. And yesterday, I am very happy to tell you that around 17 youths of the city joined yesterday in our office under the leadership of the president of the Shillong City Trinamool Congress Student Union. So, since today is the day of joining, we will meet you time and again. I think you want more to listen from our candidates from the party side. Once again, I welcome you all to this great grand party of us, that from now onward, let's work together and make a brighter, not only in North Shillong and in the state as a whole. As Mr. Khan has already indicated, he has already indicated that the party has already have a pledge for the youth, for that income support, or for that 3 lakh jobs, and the other 1 lakh laptops for the students who are going to the college. And these are the pledge which the Trinamool Congress has put upon the youth. And today it's up to you all to see. We have seen the manifesto of the other party. It's just a copycat. They said that we are giving 5 lakhs. I'll tell you, 8,700 something jobs for 5 years has not yet been filled. How they can fill that 5 lakhs? This present government. You please ask them, either we are coming to your residence or with these few words, I thank you. May God.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela